Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet contains Tieback designs model. A crochet contain Tiebacks designs is a decorative and functional handmade piece created with the crochet techniques to hold contains open at the sides of a window. It adds charm, texture, and a cozy handmade feel to your space. A crochet contain tieback is a crocheted stripe, band, rope, or floral bead wrapped around gathered contains, secured with a button, loop, ribbon, or hook. It keeps natural light flowing into the room while adding a soft, romantic touch to your window decor. Popular crochet contain tiebacks designs. Here are some common styles. First, floral tiebacks, inspired by the delicate lace look often seen in traditional English homes and even in period dramas like Downton Abbey. Uses crocheted roses, daisies, or layered flowers, often in soft pastels or cream colors, perfect for shabbatic and cottagecore themes. Vintage lace style, similar to antique toilets, uses fine cotton yarn, intricate open-work patterns, and elegant and airy look. Next, bow or ribbon tiebacks for white crocheted band tied into a bow. Soft romantic style, ideal for country cottage decor. Next, granny scar tiebacks. Small granny scars tied together. Uses colorful and cheerful, great for vintage farmhouse interiors. Why they are perfect for your home decor. 4. Add handmade charm, softened window areas. Match crochet pillow covers or crochet flower vases. Create the cozy grandma style cottage feeling. They look especially beautiful in country kitchens, cottage bedrooms, and sunlit reading corners. Here are some practical tips for crochet contain tiebacks to make them extra charming and unique. First, layer for a designer look. Instead of using just out tieback, use a lace crochet band first. Then wrap in a thin ribbon or velvet stripe over it. Or attach a small floral cluster at outside. Use texture mixing. Texture makes everything more interesting. Try combining smooth cotton yarn plus fluffy mohair edge, simple stitches plus bubble stitch details, open lace sections plus tight solid stitches. This contrast makes the tiebacks stand out against plain contains. Create statement ends. Instead of plain ends, make them decorative. Big crochet rows at outside. Tassels for a boho cottage fill. Wooden ring wrapped in crochet. Heart-shaping crochet motifs. Sentiment ends make even simple contains look custom-made. Coordinate with your room accessories. For a perfectly styled cottage space, match your tiebacks with crochet pillow covers, crochet table runners, crochet flower vase covers, join centerpieces. When colors repeat softly across the room, the space feels balanced and thoughtfully decorated. Tie double-level tiebacks for tall windows. Use out tiebacks at mid-height. Add a second thinner tieback slightly lower. This gives a romantic tucked look often seen in classic period style rooms. Think about curtain width. Very important tip. Thin shirt curtains put delicate lace tiebacks. Medium cotton curtains use standard crochet bands. For heavy curtains, use thicker rope style tiebacks. This thickness should balance the curtain width. Choose a strong yarn for daily use for tiebacks that you will open and close often. Use 100% cotton for a strong and hold shape oil. Avoid very soft fuzzy yarn. Eat traces of a time. For heavy curtains, use thicker yarn, TK or worsted weight. Next, measure correctly before crocheting. Very important. Pull your curtain to the side. Wrap a measuring tape around it loosely. Add 2 to 3 extra inches for fastening. Too tight equal curtain looks flat. Too loose equal tieback slides down. Perfect fit makes everything look professional. Reinforce the ends. The ends take the most pressure. Crochet extra tight stitches at the ends. Add a small fabric lining inside. Sew securely if attaching flowers or buttons. Loose decorations can fall off over time. Use secure fastening methods. Best options: button plus loop for very secure. Use wooden chain plus crochet strap, wall hook system, magnetic curtain clips hidden under crochet cover. Avoid only tying knots if you want long-term durability. Consider humidity and sunlight since you are in a humid climate. Avoid metal pieces that can rust. Use washable yarn. Wash gently every few months to remove dust. Sunlight can fade bright colors, so soft neutrals last longer. Make them washable. Things collect dust, so tiebacks will too. Use yarn that can be hand washed. Avoid glued decorations. Sew everything firmly. Tie flat to maintain shape. Match tieback thickness to curtain width. Very practical rule. Sheer curtain, use thin lace tiebacks. Medium cotton curtains, use medium width band. Heavy blackout curtains, use thick rope style tiebacks. If the tieback is too thin for heavy fabric, it will stress. Add hidden strands for heavy curtains. Insert a thin cord inside the crochet or crochet around the cotton rope. This keeps the shape frame while still looking soft and handmade. Keep spare button or decorations. If you use buttons or beads, keep extras stored, attached with strong thread. Double knot and secure ends. Small pieces can loosen over time. Test before final use. Before installing, wrap around curtains for 24 hours. Check if it stresses. Adjust if needed. This prevents disappointment later. Install hooks at the right height. Placements matter more than people think. Install hooks about on third down from the top of the curtain for a balanced look. For a relaxed cotton vibe, place them slightly lower. Make sure both sides are measured evenly so curtains hang symmetrically. Uneven hooks make even beautiful tieback look messy. Pre-stress your tiebacks. Before final use, gently stress the crochet page by hand. Let it rest overnight wrapped around something similar in size to your cotton bundle. This prevents surprise stressing later. Double secure heavy cottons. If your cottons are thick, use a wall hook plus a button closer or crochet around a strong cotton cord inside. Hidden reinforcements may skip shape over time. Rotate them seasonally even if you don't change designs. Swap left and right tiebacks every few months. This balances sunlight exposure and prevents uneven fading. Very simple but very effective. Store properly when not in use. If you rotate designs, store flat in a breathable cotton bag. Avoid plastic in humid climates. Keep away from direct sunlight. This prevents discoloration and moisture damage. Always make on extra. When you create a pair, crochet on extra tiebacks or at last extra decorative pieces. Save leftover yarn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!